So yesterday I was doing a consultation with an investor out of California that's already been investing in different areas across the country, and we was talking about different type of assets that he's kind of looking for. It's two-pronged approach that he's kind of focusing in on, and we talked about a lot about value add properties. And of course, value add properties is saying that I'm going to buy this property in probably maybe not necessarily the worst shape possible, but in some cases the worst shape, but not in the best shape. So that way I can acquire the property. And a lot of times this focuses in on multi-family units. I can buy the property and add value to the property by fixing it up, raising the rents, doing renovations, and also upgrading with the renovations and adding new tenants at a different price. And so what I paid for was a fraction of the value that it's going to get over the next 3, maybe 5 years. In a lot of cases, in these instances, these investors do buy and hold, but they also want to cash out about 5 to 7 years down the road. So they'll come in, buy a property that they need to fix up, typically multi-family units. It also works on smaller units as well, but not the gains, the capital gains are not necessarily as much. And of course, the tax benefits is something totally different as well. But being focused on the value add approach, having the property fixed up in a condition that's going to have a high degree of rent, have a high degree of appreciation, and then the ability to be able to sell that asset off to somebody else that's able to have a turnkey type property where they're coming into it, don't have to do anything for it, but they are paying a premium, but it's cash flowing, the property's in great shape, and also they basically don't have to do anything outside of just kind of collect the rents and put a property management company in place. And so value add is something to be mindful of getting into real estate investing, whether it be on a small individual single family house basis or a multi-family type basis as well, that's able to offer up more potential upside.